In my previous video, I have told you all that I'll be making a detailed video on the sound mood light of Kia Seltos HTX variant. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a detailed tour of the sound mood light of the Kia Seltos. And along with it, I'm gonna include the illumination of the cabin lights of this particular car. Hello guys, welcome to Car and Bike Info, where we bring videos related to automobile only. I am Om, and in today's video, as I said, I am gonna give you a detailed tour of the sound mood light of Kia Seltos. Okay, so starting with the screen first. How the screen looks. So as you can see, these buttons are illuminated, these shortcut buttons. Then the screen is also looking beautiful, and you will definitely love the way the screen looks at night. Then coming to the instrumentation of the car. As you can see, this is also looking beautiful. Now coming to the steering mounted controls. As you can see, this also get lights. These are also backlit switches. Here it is also backlit switches, as you can see. Then if you will see the AC controls, then it is also backlit. This is also backlighted, as you can see if I will focus. Now if I will show you the hazard light switch, then it is also backlighted, and also it blinks when you turn on the hazard light. Now going to the ambient lighting and the sound mood lighting of this car. If you will see, then on the dashboard, let me turn on the light to give you a clarity where it is actually placed. Then if I am turning on the light, as you can see, in the dashboard it is placed. In this part of the dashboard, the lights are placed, as you can see. And it only gets a single color for the ambient lighting. It gets variety of color for the sound mood lighting, which are placed on the doors. And I forgot to show you one thing. If I will show you this gear area, let me turn on the lights again. If you will see, these switches are also lit. Means this parking, reverse, neutral and drive switches are also illuminated. Now if I will show you this area, or the area behind the steering wheel, or where the start stop button is located, then you can see these buttons are also illuminated. The start stop button, let me focus. This is illuminated. These switches are also illuminated, and this headlight leveler is also illuminated. But here is one demerit. As you can see here, only the driver side window is illuminated. If you will see, these switches are not illuminated at all. This is definitely one demerit of this car. Here if I want to adjust the mirror, then here the mirror controls are placed, which I will be unable to see at night. If I will open the door and show you, as you can see, it is not visible at all. So definitely this is a big miss of this car. Now coming to the main part, the sound mood light of this car. So let me connect the phone to the system and play audio right away. So this was all about the sound mood light of this particular Kia Seltos. So this is the same sound mood light which you get in the GTX Plus variant and also in the GTX variant or the HTX Plus variant. Now as I have told you, I will show you the cabin lights. So as you can see, you get 4 LEDs over there, 1, 2 and there are 2. You get 4 LED lights and this illuminates the cabin in a pretty good manner. As you can see, if I will show you it from the back, then you can see it illuminates the cabin in a pretty good manner. And if you will see the steering wheel, here are the backlit switches which I have already shown to you, the switches. So this was all about the sound mood light and the cabin lights of Kia Seltos HTX variant. And this brings me to the end of this video. So if you love this video, you know what you need to do. Just give it the like button, do subscribe to our channel and press the notification button to get the latest updates from us. And also do not forget to visit our website carandbikeinfo.com, whose link I'll be putting in the description box below. And if you want to consult us before your next car or bike purchase, then you may consult us by simply filling a form, whose link also I'll be putting in the description box below. So thank you for watching this video once again. Bye bye. Hope you like it.